Inside her poultry farming, Najma Abdullahi examines the condition of 1,000 chickens she rears for commercial purpose. She is highly educated, proud to be an entrepreneur at a young age, and above all ambitious. But her booming industry is what shapes her life. She was a medical professional who practices veterinary medicine, managing reproductive health in non-human animals, especially poultry, during her study in the university, and that was the turning point of this thriving business. But in the beginning, it was not easy journey. We faced many challenges during the start, some of which we eventually overcome, and others that we are still trying to handle with. The chickens are not locally produced here, but overseas, so do they a variety of grains and vegetables they enjoy eating. Now, Najma in her 20s said this initiative has completely transformed not only her view in macroeconomy and entrepreneurship, but let her become financially independent women who created job opportunities for others. 3 to 5 people work here every day who were unemployed before, including me. But we become used to this environment, trying to learn what success means to every businesswoman like me who stayed at home before doing nothing except studying. She balanced to sustain her desire to achieve more, taking the advantage of gaining a fully grown experience from this project.